How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and welcome to an episode of SpeedTech SpotLight. In this episode, I wanted to go over our flash carbine options and our combo dual carbine light bars here. Now, all of these options would be perfect if you need a warning and work light in one. So moving over here, I have our flash quad carbine, and then next to that one I have our flash circle carbine. Now our flash quad and our flash circle carbine only come in amber as your warning color option, so you'll see that you'll have your amber warning mode there. And then so again, that's our flash quad carbine and our flash circle carbine, and you do only have one flash pattern, so that's your warning mode there. And then moving over here, I have our flash carbine 140. Now here I brought a blue color, for example, and I did activate the warning mode there. And then here I brought an amber color example. But we do offer our flash carbine 140s in red, blue, amber, red, and blue color options. So you'll see that on the color option drop-down menu on the product page. And then for all of these units, you have your warning mode, and then of course you have your work light mode built in. Now on our flash carbine 140s, you'll see that your warning modules and your work light modules both activate, so both are activating there. And then on your flash quad and your flash circle, the work light actually overrides the warning mode fully. And you will have two separate power cables for each of those functions on all of these units. And all of these units will come with your included mounting hardware as well. So that covers our flash quad carbine, our flash circle carbine, and our flash carbine 140s here. Now let's go ahead and move over to our combo dual carbine light bars. So here I brought our combo dual carbine 14-inch and our combo dual carbine 20-inch. Now I brought our 14-inch model in a amber color setup, and I brought our 20-inch model in a red-blue color setup. But we do offer these units in amber, red, blue, green, and clear color combinations. And your warning and work light functionality will have their own power cables. So I ran my warning function to my A switch here on my 3-switch box, and then I went ahead and hooked up the work light function to the B switch here. So you'll see that you can activate those together, or you can activate those separately if you would like to, between your work light and your warning light function. Now you do have multiple flash patterns to choose from on these units, so I went ahead and hooked up my flash pattern cable to the C switch here, and that's a momentary function, so you'll see that I can easily cycle through my flash patterns here, and you'll see that I can get set on a pattern I'd like. And then these units do have memory recall, so they will remember the last flash pattern they were on, so you can set them and then you're good to go there. So then you'll see that you can activate your warning function and your work light function again together, or you can activate those separately if you would like to. And that covers our combo dual carbine 14-inch and our combo dual carbine 20-inch there, for example. So that covers our flash carbines and our combo dual carbine light bars here. And this is perfect if you need a warning and work light in one. And you can find all of these units under our off-road light bar series, and then you'll see a tab that says combo plus warning, and all of these units will be listed there on our website. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.